Here's one that's going to turn some heads. Wow. 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne regular cab 4x4. Recent restoration work, under 20 miles on this thing since it was restored. 454 crate engine underneath the hood. That's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Look at the chrome front grille. Headlight surrounds. This truck will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the still pictures of this thing. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's gonna take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. See the hood and the paint. Shows very, very well. Riding on a little later model GM wheel. BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. What a great stance. Look at the bed. Bed's like new. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Look at how straight those panels are. Look at this from the rear to the front. Nice reflection coming off there. Very straight. Underside, you're gonna see new exhaust. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Also in good shape. Look at how nice that Chevrolet banner is on that tailgate. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one, folks. uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we also have an open door policy. You want a third-party inspector to take a peek at this. Can't make it yourself. See what they have to say. This one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and videos, but we'd be happy to host somebody to come look at this for you if you'd like. So black vinyl interior. Door panels look good. Carpeting like new. Vinyl seats, excellent shape. Center console, cup holders, tilt column, shifter on the column. Let's go ahead and hop up in here and fire it up. It's that crate 454 big block. That tack's working. Battery gauge, that was a cold start. Won't expect temperature to be up. Oil pressure up there. Now, builder left the stereo system out of it. We see that from time to time. Leaves the next owner the option to do what they'd like to do stereo wise. Take a look at the top of the dash. This truck is also equipped with AC. We're going to pop the hood, be able to see the compressor, and we'll take a look at this engine bay. First, door closes nicely. Let's slip around back. Take a listen. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this just a bit. We'll get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. First of all, look underneath the hood. Looks good there. Stand back. Look at how nice that looks with the chrome highlighted Chevrolet insignia on there. Also has some chrome dress up with the valve covers, air cleaner cover. Looks like an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, poly carb. Classic auto air compressor. There's a battery disconnect here. Smooth runner, again, according to the previous owner. Crate 454. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact, power steering, power brakes, AC. The Don't expect this one to last long. 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne, regular cab, 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1972 Chevrolet K10. This is a 4-wheel drive. There's an automatic on the column. Our turn signals both do work. Plenty of power in this truck. We have a factory tachometer in the middle that does work. Speedometer is working. Fuel gauge is reading just about empty. Gauges are showing the oil pressure pegged on high and the battery right in the middle. Those may not work. Temperature gauge does work. It's coming off the cold right now. Our wipers work great. Goes to the right just a little bit, but the wind is blowing that way today when I let go of the steering wheel. So that could be the cause. We got heavy winds today. It's a really nice 4x4. Very good restoration job. Clean underneath. Nice paint on the outside. Nice interior. The radio is missing, so you can choose whichever radio you want to put in there. Facing the wind, she goes straight down the road. No excessive vibrations or shaking, even with these big tires. There's a nice ride. You have leaf spring suspension. Very nice 72 Chevy K10. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.